count it. We are just neglecting that. We are just telling the bond angle of the normal ones. Now tell me, what is the hybridization of this?
sp3d.
sp3d. Is it clear? sp3d. Okay, fine. Next one. Tell me about the next one. What is the next one? Yes? Next one?
CO2.
CO2, carbon dioxide. So, what is the Lewis dot structure of carbon dioxide? First of all, the Lewis dot structure of carbon dioxide. Carbon has got 4 electrons in its valence shell. So, carbon has got 4 electrons in its valence shell. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Oxygen has got 6 electrons in its valence shell. Oxygen has got 6 electrons in its valence shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oxygen has got 6 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It wants to make 8. It wants to make 8. Clear? And carbon is also becoming 8. Is it clear, Sudeshna? Sudeshna, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So what is the nature of the bonding? The nature of the bonding is C double bond O, C double bond O, right? C double bond O, C double bond O. Okay. But now, how many pairs of electrons are there in the central atom? You tell me that. How many pairs of electrons are there? You can very easily say this. How many pairs of electrons are there in the central atom? Tell me.
4.
Very good. 4 pairs, 4 pairs, 4 pairs, 4 pairs. Very good. But there is one theory. The last point you had written in the theory. Yes, Indrajit, you are correct. Yes, Indrajit, you are correct. So, what is written in that? If the bonds are multiple, means if the bonds are either double bond or triple bond, it is considered as one pair. It is considered as one pair. Okay. So effectively in Vsepr theory, how many pairs are there? You tell me. 2 pairs, not 4 pairs. Actually, there are 4 pairs, but according to Vsepr theory, what is suggested that if the bonding is multiple bonding, then we consider it as a single pair. So there are actually 2 pairs. And if 2 pairs are there, what should be the geometry? You tell me. If 2 pairs are there, what should be the geometry? Tell.
So linear.
Very good. So it is linear, right? There is no lone pair. There is no lone pair in carbon dioxide. Carbon में कोई lone pair नहीं है. Okay. So it's linear. Simply it is linear. Okay. What is the bond angle?
180 degree. 180.
Very good. 180 degree. And if it is linear, if 2 pairs are there, what should be the hybridization?
SP.
See, everybody understood that. Is it clear? Okay, so that table is also completed. Next, you tell me the next one. Next one was what? Yes? Yes, SO2. SO2, okay, chalo. SO2, chalo. Do it, SO2. So this is S only, right? This is S. Now S has got how many electrons in its valence shell? S has got 6 electrons in its valence shell. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. 5, 6. Okay, that's the difference. The difference is that only. Now how many lone pairs, how many bond pairs are there? Tell me. How many lone pairs, how many bond pairs are there? Baki, it's almost like carbon dioxide. Yes.
One bond pair and one lone pair.
How many bond pairs?
2 bond pair. 2 bond pair.
2 bond pair. In Vsepr theory, not 4. We are going to consider it as 2, right? Double bond hai. Okay. So we are going to consider it as 2 bond pair and 1 lone pair, right or not? We are going to consider it as 2 bond pair and 1 lone pair, right? Okay, that means 3 pairs. If 3 pairs are there, what is the shape? You tell me. If 3 pairs are there, what is the shape? You already know it. If 3 pairs are there, what is the shape? Tell me. What is the shape? 3 pairs are there. Yes? Yes, S is here. Double bond O. Yes. Double bond O. है ना? और एक साइड में क्या होगा? लोन पेयर होगा कि नहीं? यस? ये होगा ना शेप आपका? ये होगा कि नहीं शेप? जियोमेट्री ये होगा कि नहीं? ट्रायंगुलर planar with one lone pair of electron. But ये lone pair of electron तो हम लोग consider नहीं करते हैं shape में. So what is the shape? How does it look? How does it look? It is bend or V-shaped, just like water, right? Just like water, it is bend or V-shaped. देखो आप लोगों को concept clear हो गया अभी आप लोग कुछ भी कर सकते हो. Okay, V or bend shaped, V-shaped or bend. Yes. What is the bond angle? What is the bond angle? बताओ कितना होता है?
So 120 degree.
Very good, 120 degree. As I told that for the other cases where the lone pairs are there, it's not very little less than 120 degree. It has to be, but not very significantly less. Okay? Why little less than 120 degree? Because यहाँ पे lone pair है, right? जो कि रिपेल कर रहा है इसको, जो कि रिपेल कर रहा है थोड़ा सा तो छोटा होगा, but उतना भी छोटा नहीं होगा कि we are going to count it. Okay? It's little less than 120 degree. And what is the hybridization? What is the hybridization?
Sir, SP2.
SP2. Why? Because 3 pairs are there. 3 pairs are there, so it is SP2. Yes, 3 pairs are there, so it is SP2. Now tell me the next one. What is the next one? What is the next one after sulfur dioxide? What is there? Tell me.
ClF3.
Br? No, ClF3. Okay.
ClF3.
ClF3. Okay. So ClF3. What is the structure of it? What is the literature structure of ClF3? And how many bond pairs or lone pairs are there? Let us see that Cl means how many 7 electrons are there? Cl 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 electrons are there. F 7 electrons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. F 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. F 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So F is becoming 8 everywhere. F is becoming 8 everywhere. But what about chlorine? What about chlorine? Chlorine is becoming how much? How many bond pairs? How many lone pairs? You tell me how many bond pairs? How many lone pairs? Tell me.
3 bond pair, 2 lone pair.
Very good. So 3 bond pair, 2 lone pairs. Very good. So see, all of you can do it. Just one class and you are expert. Okay. 3 bond pairs and 2 lone pairs. So total number of pairs is how much? How much?
5.
5. If 5, what should be the geometry? If 5, what should be the geometry?
Triangular bipyramidal.
Very good. Triangular bipyramidal. Triangular, very good. Very good. Triangular bipyramidal. Cl यहाँ पे है. अभी 2 लोन पेयर है, राइट? कहाँ पे होगा लोन पेयर ट्रायंगुलर बाइपिरामिडल होने से? If it is triangular bipyramidal, लोन पेयर कहाँ पे जाएगा? Equatorial position में. We know it, right? We know it. If the lone pairs are present in a triangular bipyramidal, that will go to the equatorial position to minimize the repulsive force. To minimize the repulsive force. So to equatorial position में, कोई भी equatorial position में आप lone pair डाल दो. F यहाँ पे है, F यहाँ पे है, F यहाँ पे है. So what is the shape? Again मैं दिखा रहा हूँ इससे आपको. So यहाँ पे ये था. This is the triangular triangle. Okay. Now this is at the top. And this is at the bottom. Yes. अभी 2 चला जाएगा, 2 इक्वेटोरियल पोजीशन चला जाएगा. ये चला गया, ये चला गया, दोनों चला गया. क्या शेप है इसका? What is the shape? It's just like T. है कि नहीं? It is like T. Yes or not? It looks like T or not? You tell me that first. Okay? Yes. So what is the shape? We will write T-shaped. T-shaped. Okay? So the shape of this is what? T-shaped. But what is the geometry? What is the geometry? You tell me. What is the geometry? Geometry is triangular bipyramidal with 2 lone pairs of electrons in the equatorial position. Okay? Okay, is it clear? Clear? Okay? Very good. I am not going to teach anymore. What I am going to do is now